Are you considering filing bankruptcy but worried you're going to lose your car? It's a common concern, but the answer might depend on a couple of things. Let's break them down how bankruptcy affects your ability to keep your vehicle, whether filing a Chapter 7 or Chapter 13 bankruptcy. Welcome to the Ascend Finance YouTube channel, where we build bankruptcy calculators that can help you estimate whether you can lose your car or vehicle, the costs, etc. And those are 100% free. My name is Ben, and I'm the CEO here at Ascend. So, can you keep your car if you file for bankruptcy? It is a common misconception that your assets, such as your vehicles, are automatically at risk if you choose the route of bankruptcy, but that is often not the case. The process could vary depending on if you're filing in Chapter 7 or Chapter 13 bankruptcy, so let's talk about it. First, Chapter 7 bankruptcy is a liquidation bankruptcy. In a Chapter 7, the court is looking to see if there are any high value assets that could be used to pay back the debt. Each state has bankruptcy exemptions or federal exemptions in place to protect up to a certain amount of equity that you own in your vehicle. So if you own over that exemption amount in your equity, your vehicle could be at risk of liquidation. Let's do a simple example. Let's say you owe $5,000 on your car and your car is worth $10,000. Your equity position in that vehicle is $5,000. Now, if your state's exemption only allows you $1,000 of equity and yours is $5,000, then your vehicle may be at risk at being taken if you file bankruptcy. Now, another instance of when a vehicle may be at risk in Chapter 7 is if you are not in good standings with your car note when you file, meaning you are likely behind on your payments. In order to have your car note reaffirmed and protected in Chapter 7 bankruptcy, the attorney may ask you, if you file with an attorney, to have you catch up on the payments beforehand. Now, everything in this video is just for informational purposes and not legal advice. If you do want legal advice, we can get you connected with a bankruptcy attorney that can help provide a free consultation. Second, people may consider a Chapter 13 bankruptcy if you are behind on your car note or facing repossession and are looking to get caught up in the Chapter 13 bankruptcy plan. Keep in mind, yes, a Chapter 13 could catch you up on your secured payments that are behind, but this plan could also be considerably more expensive depending on how much is needed to be caught up in the vehicle, and additional factors such as disposable income, non-exempt home equity if that applies, attorney fees, and potentially trustee fees. When consulting with a bankruptcy attorney, you may ask whether it makes sense to file Chapter 7 or 13 if the car note is not caught up, or if it makes sense to voluntarily turn the vehicle in and potentially discharge the remaining balance due. If you realistically cannot afford the monthly payment on the car, the latter of those options may be worth considering. Now, if you're unsure whether you would lose your vehicle, I put a link below for the Chapter 7 calculator that you can take that can help you estimate the cost, whether you qualify for Chapter 7 bankruptcy, and whether you may lose assets such as your car if you file bankruptcy. The results will also go over the pros and cons and allow you to compare your options, the bankruptcy option, to other options. You can also call myself or an analyst on my team to chat through that in more detail. 650-334-0345. Thanks so much for watching.